nursery all day? No. Then you poop on it. I mean, that would be silly. Okay, I'll put you up there for a little bit. No? What about the other birdies? Look at those ones. They're red birds too. Do you talk to them all day when you're in here? What do you say? You say, hey, birdie! Is that what you say? Or you just scream like you just were in my ear? Because that would hurt their ears. What? You say, hello, I'm Tango.